team, Carl here, Red Beer Recipes. Today I'm going to make the most garlicky chili sauce of all time.
Right now, yeah!
Make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get you started.
And I hope you like it. Whoop, whoop.
First off, I'm going to take a full bulb of garlic, cut it in half, like so. Put it in some tin foil. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil over these. A little pinch of salt. Bit of fresh black pepper. And wrap those up. Put them in a little tray and in the oven for 40 minutes on 200 degrees C. Alexa, start a timer for 40 minutes. Good luck. Next, we're gonna chop our 15 cayenne peppers up and chuck them in the pan. We're gonna de-seed our Birdseye Chillies, chop them up and throw them in the pan as well. Safe to say, I should have went to the toilet before I did this. Once your chilies are all chopped up, gonna add in a cup of white vinegar, half a cup of red wine vinegar, and half a teaspoon of salt. All right, chuck that on the heat, let it simmer for 10 minutes. Smells super garlicky in this place. The hogs. As you can see, all nice and soft. Pop them straight out. I'm gonna get all of the cloves out. Pop that all in. And I'm gonna let it just simmer away gently again for another 5 minutes. Take that off the heat. We're going to pour in 1 cup of water and get ready to blitz it. Put it into an old jar. And that is us done. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
There we are.
Well done.